the harshness of the sun, and the pollution and the stress. Ranking 7. Gunz Dash Team. You get 5 hearts for the 5th day playing Gunz Dash. 58 minutes ago. Cool. I'm already... Who are these other people? Are they fake characters? Do I have gifts? Have you gotten any gifts, Melissa? Oh man, see, I could be levels above you. I got 4 gifts. Oh, I got 600 coins. Yeah, buddy. I can almost buy a pet. Give me more gold. I want gold. 600 more coins. I need 130 more. 170 more. Coins. Courage shield. Yeah. You gotta take what you can get. Collect that piece. Invite friends. Select a WeChat friend. I don't have any WeChat friends. Send in an invitation. Did I already invite you? Melissa? Did I already invite you to join this game? Ranking. Let's play, son. Is that America's Best Dance Crew? What is it? Yeah. Bam. 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 What happened?
Wait, I've seen break skate before.
Break skate?
Yeah, break skate.
Break skate. All on skates. They're not gonna win. The skate dancers never win these games. Remember the hula hoop ones? Or the yo-yo ones? On America's Best Dance Crew? Was it yo-yo or jump rope? Melissa. That was ridiculous, right? Oh, I'm about to hit pause. Oh! I died. Turn up the music. I don't like their dance moves. Is this a show? Is this show on now, or they're just? It's a promo.
They're doing it. It's so you think you can dance.
I don't get it. It's a promo within a show.
No, it's not a promo at all.
What are we watching?
So you think you can dance. They were on America's Got Talent last year. No, wait. Was it last year? Or was it the last year or the year before? But it was within the last 2 years. No, it was 2. No, wait. They did this one zombie routine and they were all white masks.
Mm-hmm.
It was really good.
Come on.
If you want to see Academy of Villains back on the 3D dance stage, then tweet your support. The hashtag you need is on the screen below. Roll up my sleeve, show these vibes.
Welcome back to the Hollywood auditions. It's just after lunch and Hayley Payne's
Ooh, I'm on fire.
in style.
Oh, yeah. Surfboard. Surfboard. I don't like her. Oh, she's the nasty dancer.
Tell us about this look.
I always try and change it up, and with this hairdo, I can wear it down, I can wear it up, I can wear it back, and I get a lot. I'm Miley Cyrus, I get that a lot.
Wow. So, who have you got here supporting you?
I have my cute mom, my cute G-ma, that's my grandma, my Aunt Kim, my dad,
G-
his friend Brandon. Say hello, family!
See you guys right now. What style are you going to do?
I am actually doing jazz funk.
Oh. Oh! The missiles are coming! Pause.
Cue music.
Oh, I like her already. Oh man, that was cool. Christina's like a little kid in a candy store. She's no Miley Cyrus. Looks healthier. She got a bigger booty. Booty, 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 rocking everywhere. Booty, 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 rock.
I like you. I like your personality. I like your quirk. I like the little flicky with the hands. I love the bite. The bite. I was so afraid you were going to stick your tongue out because of that whole Miley thing you said earlier, and then I was going to be like, wah, wah.
No, I'm like the good version of Miley.
Yes, you are. You're adorable.
I like Miley. I like Miley a lot.
I like Miley too. I just don't want to say I love you too.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, you owned it up there. You know, I love all the different movement. I love the choreography. You know, and I feel like you were in it 100% every single little bit of it, no matter what you were doing up there. So it was great. Great.
Anyone else in the family dance?
You know, my dad likes to pretend he can. He's the one that got me into dance, not my mom. My mommy wanted me to play softball, and I did for a really long time, but dad's the one.
Did you miss the softballer?
I was pretty good. I was a catcher, so I was down there.
Yeah.
At 30, I was like, whoa.
Yeah, so, are you a good catcher?
What is wrong with her? She's funny. She totally set him up. That was cool. That's like WWE stuff. Are you a good catcher? Well, catch this.
Coming up, one dancer's journey. I had no love for myself. I had no appreciation for life.
Oh, a sob story. Thanks.
By telling us your
I was having a good time here with positive people. I'm stuck with another sob story. Hopefully I don't.
Tell a sob
Why?
story before you dance and watch you. I don't really care. I just want to see things. If I have a question, then I'll ask.
Sometimes I would change the channel because of it. Ooh, I am on fire, son! Ooh-wee! I'm in the zone. Oh, missile. Oh! I was doing good. Is there a way you could cancel a double jump? You know how you double jump? Melissa. 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 Is there a way you could cancel a double jump? You get back in that zone. I need 40 more points. So the player that you were playing with is a boy. And he's chasing his girlfriend. A vampire that caught his girlfriend. I'm playing weird right now.
He's your man. And when you can save money like this, he can look like the man of your dreams. Because in reality, he is.
Right up, cowboy.
Goodies. Your town. Your store. Your Father's Day sale.
Thanks to the Celtic caramel shake. Caramel for Kara. That makes sense. And Janine for peanut butter. I don't get it. Why? This reminds me of my ex-girlfriend Janine, who was nuts.
25 real ice cream shakes, all half price after 8 p.m. This is how you sign it. So, should our next car be a Camry? That's nice. Or the Camry? The Camry.
So it came down the wire, but I decided to go with the Camry. Over what? The Camry. Wow.
Camry? They're both great. For people who own a Camry, there's really no decision. They usually get another Camry.
Is it Camry or Camry?
No, I'm so nervous.
Find out why people keep coming back to the Toyota Camry again and again. Get a 2-year no-cost maintenance lease on a new Camry SE for $189 a month. Toyota, let's go places. Our world is changing at the speed of imagination. Savannah State University is rising to this challenge, developing graduates uniquely qualified to tackle the needs of the global marketplace. The university
Oh, shoot. I jumped straight into a missile.
Way to go, genius.
Shut up. You already said I'm an amateur stripper that's constipated.
No, that's not what I said.
I'm gonna get a pet. I'll spend all 6,000 of my gold, beautiful coins on a pet. You think I should do it?
It's up to you.
Did you get rid of yours?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, I got a bird.
I didn't get a bird. I got a freaking deer.
Or a chicken. What'd you get? A dude? I'd rather have a deer. Now I got 30 gold coins. 30 gold coins. 30 gold coins. Oh, there's my bird. I got a bird. It's just flying. I'm never going to be able to touch him. What's the point in having a pet if you can't pet him because it's always in front of you? Does it even guide you? Or it just throw you off your game?
The expectations are bigger because I'm coming back. And I think if you don't make it, you feel like you fail.
Tell me about your experience last year. Where did you get to? How far did you get?
So last year I made it all the way right before they got rid of my life. I'm hoping that this time around it will be just as fun, and
like a deer. He just like hangs in midair.
A female deer.
No. The fuck? Seriously, look at the lift he gets in his jumps. He just hangs there for a second in the air.
Why didn't he make it
He's
last
so
time?
smooth. They cut him before the final.
Why is he in boxers? Why am I watching this?
You should be able to appreciate a man dancing.
You know, sport is a dance.
Dance is sport.
Oh, good. Deep thoughts. I like our little dialogue here.
It's not a deep thought, it's a fact.
No, I said sport is a dance, and you said dance is a sport. I'm like, cool. That's like you put water in a cup, it becomes a cup. It is just like it. Alright, I'm tired. I'm tired and I'm almost out of hearts. Insufficient hearts. Cool, I can chill.
Oh, does it look like you beat my score?
What?